everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we are going to jump back to Itertools, and we're going to look at the repeat method. So alright, let's just get at it. And if you're new here, thanks for joining us. Let's make sure we're clicking that subscribe button and a notification bell, because I don't want you guys missing anything. And also, if you're new and you're not sure how we do things around here, we do one topic at a time. So if you have no idea what Itertools is, there is a video for that. We only typically do one topic. We might do two, but this is so it's all searchable and we build one thing onto another. So all right, that's that. So okay, repeat takes an object, then repeat times, and then I create an iterator. And if you're not sure what an iterator is, guess what? I have a video for that. So okay, let's pull this over just a touch so we can see it. All right, repeat the object number of times, creates an iterator which returns the object for the specified number of times. If not specified, returns the object endlessly. So all right, as we know that an iterator, repeat, let's do 10 and 3. So all right, let's do this. And an iterator is an object that is sitting there, hasn't all the way been created. It just knows the rules of what to create, and we use the next function on that. But guess what? Like I said, we have a video on that is more in depth. So all right, next. Then we do one more time, and this will fail because we only specified 3 times. So we can shrink this down now. Now it also said that if we do not specify how many times to repeat, we'll repeat endlessly. And so on. We'll just do one more because you guys understand what endlessly is. So alright, that is repeat. So okay, real short video. Just wanted to touch on everything. I'll have to look. I think we're getting close on the last of the Itertools. Maybe we'll do a video and take another poll on see who wants what Python module we want to look at next. But as always, thanks for watching. Why don't we give this video a thumbs up if this is stuff you're interested in, and please don't forget to click the subscribe button. Wow, the subscribe button and the notification bell, because we don't want you missing anything. We have videos coming out all the time. So thanks again, stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.